Can you do rent to rent with no money? In this video, I'm going to be revealing all and doing a deep dive. If you're brand new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get alerts every single time we drop new material. Today's topic is, can you do rent to rent with no money? And the answer is no. Hope you find this useful. I'll see you in the next video.
It's good.
Just keeping a straight face.
Yeah, I know.
That was good, that was.
Yeah, it was.
Seriously, of course, I want to go into more detail and reveal all on this. And full transparency, I'll be honest, when I started rent to rent, I had £3,000, okay? So it wasn't no money, but it was low money. But halfway through my first deal, I ran out of money and I had to source other funds. So the rule of thumb for me is the average rent to rent deal cost me in between around £5,000 and £7,000. That's all in. I'm talking about refurb, I'm talking about deposits, I'm talking about agency fees, I'm talking about furnishing and the health and safety bits as well. Normally in between 5 and 7K, dependent on whether you go HMO or SA and whether it's an existing HMO or a residential property you're converting, okay? The cheapest rent to rent deal I ever did cost me 250 quid. And it was, in fact, I've done a few. One, I just had to buy a tumble dryer. And the other, I had to buy, I think it was a fridge freezer. And then just basic, like, you know, kitchen facilities, but minor. So that's a bit of an exaggeration. It was probably 500 quid. So you can do low money down rent to rent deals, but if you're brand new, the chances of your first deal being no money or low money are probably a little bit slimmer because it takes a bit of experience and to, you know, do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 deals before you get some of them golden gems that I like to call them. So you ain't going to be able to do it with no money. Forget about it. Okay. Just forget about it. You could do it with low money down. This is the thing that a lot of you might have missed. That's just the deal I'm talking about now. What about the setup? What about the agreements? What about the compliance? And of course, what about the education? Because there's going to be costs associated with that as well. So that's why, generally speaking, I think the figure is around 10K. I think if you start rent to rent with 10K, you've got enough to comfortably do it, get educated, get the compliance, get set up, get your first deal, and of course, have a little bit of a cushion because you don't want to get a deal and know that if you don't tenant within a week, you can't afford the guaranteed rent. So you do need a month or 2 months rent in reserve just to give you that confidence to press go and, you know, to give you that confidence that you're going to be able to deliver for the landlord. And worst case scenario, you've got the money. So today's topic, can you do rent to rent with no money? No, but you can definitely do it with low money. And if you're going to do this and build, you will get the occasional gem where it's extremely low money. Hope you find this useful. You know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.